guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing, oh my gosh, I just realized I did not paint my nails. 1 second. All right, I'm back with nails. They're still drying, so we'll just kind of go slow through this intro. But before it gets too late, I am heading to the East Coast for the holidays, so I thought we would do a Sephora Play unboxing. This is the month of December. I literally just got this box like 3 days ago, so it's hot off the press. And this is this month's little package. You get your 50 Beauty Insider reward points, and if you watched my last video, I told you guys that one of my pet peeves with these little cards is that you weren't able to use them online. You had to go in store to turn them in, and now you can use them online, so that's really good. Alright, so this month we have a playlist 2018. We had a blast bringing you all the best beauty in 2018. Now let's take a look back at what made this year one for the books. So as always, they have a cute little sheet here about different things that went down in 2018. And as always, you have all of your products nice and like clearly laid out on this side. So I'm just gonna dump my little products out here. First things first, I actually peeked in this little bag this morning. I couldn't help myself. And I actually used this today, and I actually really liked it. So this is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. My roommate actually, you don't have the primer, right? You have the actual foundation, the Peach foundation from Too Faced?
Yes.
Yeah, so she has the foundation. The whole line smells really nice. I've smelled it in store. I had never tried the primer before, and this morning I tried it. It's really nice. It is definitely cooling. So it says an effective primer that blurs imperfections and brightens the complexion. And it says this is the perfect primer to help you ring in the new year. The lightweight formula lasts all night, delivers 12 hours of shine control, and smells like peaches and cream. So it was really nice. Yeah, it smells really good. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Because I will not be happy if this video finishes. So I have to be careful because I have gloss on. Alright, so anyway, that's the Peach Primer. Really, really cool. I love this, and again, had never tried it before. Next, we have a product by Wander Beauty. It says this is an illuminating lotion with skincare benefits and a champagne pearl finish. Turn up the glow factor with this multitasking lotion that delivers an effortless, subtle radiance with superfine pearl pigments that reflect light. So you can either mix this with your foundation, or you can, I might even put this on like the décolleté area. Would probably be really nice. So it has this kind of like peachy, what's it smell like? It smells fresh, and it definitely has a luminescence to it. I think this would make me honestly look like a grease ball. I don't think I'd be the kind of girl that would mix this with foundation. I think it would just make me too shiny, since I'm always trying to eliminate shine. But I can definitely see putting this like all over your shoulders or your like neck area, the décolleté area, and it would probably be really pretty and make the skin just look like really healthy and radiant. So again, I've never heard of this brand, but it's by Wander Beauty, and it's their lotion illuminator. Next we have, I think I've actually used this before, but this is a pretty nice deluxe size sample. This is by the brand Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, and this is a deep conditioning mask, which my hair needs. I just actually redid my roots last night, and my hair is like pretty dry. So this is a really, really good deep conditioner, and it smells amazing. Let me just, I still have this lotion all over me. It like exploded. All right, let's see here. If I remember correctly, this smells really good. Let's open it up. Yeah, that one smells really good. So this is a weekly hair treatment that restores hydration and enhances strand strength. 'Tis the season for fresh strand starts. This mask formula helps bring back vibrancy to dry, brittle, overprocessed hair. B vitamins, rosehip oil, argan oil, collagen, and silk are all used to deliver shiny, lustrous looking strands. So this will definitely come in handy. Love me a little travel size. I'm gonna probably throw this in my bag and actually take it home for the holidays and try and slip in a mask while I'm traveling. This really is nice, this lotion. I'm like looking down at my hand and it's like really luminous. I like that stuff. I just can't see myself using it on my face, but definitely would probably look really nice on the body. All right, next we have a Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Nothing But Nude. A gel lip liner with a super soft texture in a matte nude shade. And actually in last month's box, we got a nude liquid lip, and I bet this would actually go really nice. It looks like a really similar shade. So I'm not gonna take my gloss off because it matches my cute little Belfry hat, but I will kind of swatch this and show you guys the color. That's really nice, and it is really silky. This lip liner, I can tell it's a gel formula because it glides on really nice. Yeah, it's a really pretty shade. So I'll definitely let you guys know. I'm gonna try and pair it with the liquid lip, and I think these colors will be really nice together, but I will let you know in the comments as always how I feel about it. Next we have, this is, I've actually always wanted to try these and I've never purchased one, but this is by the brand Sugar Coated by the brand Fresh, and it's a soft pink lip treatment that enhances volume and provides moisture. This formula delivers a subtle pink tint and keeps lips moisturized for up to 24 hours, making it the perfect prep or long wear lipstick. Okay, I actually really want to put this on, but I have a gloss on. So let's, no, I'm not going to take it off. There's nowhere to take it off. But I will try this and let you guys know in the comments. I smelled this morning and it smells really, really good. And I love that it's a like frosty pink shade. Yeah, it literally smells like sugar. Like, I can't put my finger on it, but it's sweet and sugary, but it's got like a fruity smell too. Yeah, that smells really good. I'm excited for this. I've never tried this sugar lip thing, but I see these all the time and there's like a ton of different flavors and I always wanted to try it. Super pumped about that. Okay, and last but not least, this month's bonus is an extra trial size. It doesn't say what it is, so maybe they just threw whatever they had extra. This is a Sephora Rouge Cream lipstick in the shade The Red. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take off what I have on my lips and just try this. So it's another red shade and I feel like we can make it happen. Alright, so now this is the shade The Red. Ooh, super pretty. And let's just see how this looks. It is a true blue toned red. Really hydrating. Yeah, that's nice. So that is it for this month's Sephora Play unboxing. If I had to choose my favorite products, I'm definitely gonna go with this Sugar Advanced Therapy Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Smells really good. This box was pretty good. I'd also go with this Primed and Peachy. I think this product was pretty exciting. And if I had to pick between the rest, this lipstick is really pretty, but I do have a lot of other reds just like it. So I might have to go with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair because I know this is a really good deep conditioner. But yeah, all of the products were pretty good. The only one I don't see myself purchasing on my own is I would never buy like something with illumination. I feel like I wouldn't get much use out of this, but because they included it, I can probably use it on my skin around the holidays just for a little extra glow. But yeah, I would say that the red lip is really pretty too. It's cream, but it's not like super shiny. I don't really like lipsticks that are like too glossy, and this is really nice. Yeah, that looks pretty. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys got in this month's box. Let me know what you're loving, and I will see you guys all in my next video.